Greetings, fellow traders. Bubba in here. It's time for the Lunchtime Market Update for Monday, February the 1st, 2021. I hope everybody's having a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, well, let's check and see where we're at the market here today. So SPX, monthly chart, inside month so far, but turning green so far. We're up 56 points here on the SPX today. Let's take a look here at the weekly chart. So we had the bearish engulfing candle so far an inside week. Daily chart so far an inside day, but a big inside day is we got to bounce off the 50-day moving average. And it is possible that wave 4 is done right here. We could be working on a larger wave 5 up. So we're definitely seeing that type of impulsive action today, which is nice. So we definitely want to see how we close today. It would be great. Still low volume here, but a nice bounce off the 50-day here on the SPY. Let's take a look at the S&P futures. So we did a nice newsletter this weekend on the futures. We showed how to trade a couple of these moves here today, which is great. We got a nice short at the open right here. Got a good, about 10 points off of that one. Could also get long here and in our game plan today through the overnight highs for another 12, possibly 20 points, depending on where your entry was. Giving a good 30 points today on the S&P futures. So nice stuff there. Let's take a look at the MES and take a look at any geometric lines we got going on. So that little pullback right there, this could have been sort of like a wave 1. This could be a wave 2. We might be working on a larger wave 3. So definitely something to keep an eye on there. Let's see how this geometric line holds as well. Like I said, we broke above here. Once we pushed it over these levels, we broke up a major geometric level right here. To just show increased confidence here in the market. So good stuff there. Let's take a look at the Qs and see how they're looking here this morning. Looking really good. Again, we're getting a big push from big names like Microsoft, Amazon, which we'll take a look at in a little bit. Let's take a look at the IWM. IWM hanging in there, still in its 15-order range, so not much going on there. XLF was a little bit tricky here today. It was looking a little bit blah here this morning, like it would break down and want to test these levels, but it could not quite do it. So it's still holding these levels right here. Not super bullish to support a huge market move, but the market itself is looking pretty strong. So good stuff there. It is, at least it's hanging in there, right? So we got that going on here. Apple with a nice dip buy here this morning. I did not trade this one, but a good hold of the 15-order below with a nice candle right here to get over the ADMA. Let's say look at Tesla. So we do have members who have been enjoying this trade right here. Good inside 15 up here over the ADMA off the 15-order below and a nice push up. Here's your inside 15 off of the 15-order below to get it started. So a really nice move there on Tesla. So good stuff there. Again, what was holding the market up today when the things were dropping down? Amazon. So Amazon making a nice move right here, guys. We talked about this yesterday on the Elliott Wave show. It held the 618, right? It looks like we might be working on a wave 3 up right here, a subwave 3 of a larger wave 5. It just all depends on how we do going into earnings, but a nice little last minute earnings run on that one for a good push there today. Let's take a look at Mr. Softy. Let's take a look at Microsoft here. So I pointed out a long on this one in the group today. I did go long on this earlier, basically breaking out of this little bull flag right here for a nice move up. It's still going. I already took profit on it, but it's a really great move today. Still moving on Microsoft. Very strong. Also helping the tech sector. And members, I didn't trade NVIDIA today, but members pointed out NVIDIA for a dip buy today, guys. This was a harmonic move, right? So you can kind of see the butterfly type formation right here. We got the highs to the lows. To the highs, you can see I already drew the extensions on it, but here, right, and up. Right, so for a nice butterfly move, and it actually gave good resistance there and pulled back off the 618, but what a long on that one. So good stuff there on NVIDIA. Great find from our members in the group there today. So we've got a couple chart requests out there. Of course, we got AMC pulling back a little bit here this morning. It is up about 6% here today. It gapped over the inside day, but back in the range. So a little bit of caution off of that as it works through there. SPCE. This gave a great burst here this morning too. Nice inside day up on SPCE. So let's see if that continues to show some strength. Nokia kind of hanging in there inside day over the ADMA. Let's just see if that continues to build. BB. Let's take a look. So try to take the inside day down, but back in range right here in BBBY, I believe had a downgrade this morning, so an inside day down there. So definitely want to keep an eye on there. GameStop. So we actually pointed out a short on the live stream on GameStop here today before they halted it. So nice inside 15 down here below the 80 MA. Gave a great move here. Nice 50-point move on GameStop. But again, really expensive here. And for Robinhood traders, I think you can trade 4 shares now, right? So isn't that ridiculous? But anyway, still doing its thing. Another one out there, CCL. I believe I heard some news that they're allowing some sports betting going on now. So possibly on their cruise ships. Still below the 80 MA and forming an inside day so far. So definitely want to keep an eye on there. Speaking of sports betting, let's take a look at DKNG. Gave a nice dip by here this morning off of the ADMA, but still an inside day. Again, needs to show some good strength and volume, but so far looking pretty constructive. Anyway, guys, good stuff. I really appreciate the request. I hope everybody has an awesome rest of your trading day. We'll see you guys at the market wrap. And until then, stay healthy out there and remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game.